Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Maths online class. I'm Savio, Maths teacher, Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Paladam. Yesterday onwards, we started the 9th standard mathematics topics. In that, we started the first chapter, Set Language. Set Language. Yesterday, I gave the introduction about the sets. You know very well the set definition, and also I gave the few more examples for sets and a few more examples for not a set, and also we learned listing the elements, the methods to following in the set language. These things and all yesterday we learned. In exercise 1.1 also we completed first three Roman number in the order. Today we are going to learn representation of set. So what is meaning for representation of set? First we have to understand this. Look at here. In the textbook they are given the example. Look at the first one. The set of odd numbers is a fine description. Description means we are writing in a word. Within in the words we are expressing the set. After that, the same set we represented in the elements method 1, 3, 5 inside the curly bracket. Also, it can be set to as the collection of all x where x is an odd number. This method also another one set representation. So finally I am going to conclude a set can be represented in any one of the following three ways or form. So these are the three ways. First one, second one, third one. So we are going to learn today representation of sets in the elaborate manner. We are representing the set in three ways. First method is descriptive form. Second method is set builder form or rule form. Third method is roster form or tabular form. I repeat it again. First method is descriptive form. Second method is set builder form or rule form. Third method is roster form or tabular form. First way of expressing the set is descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. Already in the introduction of set representation itself I explained. Descriptive form is nothing. We are expressing the set in words. Look at the following examples. The set of all vowels in English alphabet. Look at the second example, the set of whole numbers. The second method is set builder form or rule form. In set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. This is little different from the previous one. This method we are framing a rule according to the condition. Through the example I will explain this. Look at the example. A equals to x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. It should be written in the curly bracket. Set B x such that x is a whole number. Look at here. Here they are used the two mathematical symbol. One is, so two also have the same meaning, such that. So always you have to read this x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. X such that x is a whole number. So don't forget this and this are the same. You have to read it as such that. So again, I repeat it again. In set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. Like this only we have to frame the rule. Third method is roster form or tabular form. This is a very simple one. Already this learned yesterday in exercise 1.1 second Roman number. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. In this method we are listing the elements. Look at the example. A equals to AEIOU. We know very well AEIOU is the vowels in English alphabet. That's only they written here. After that, B equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a set of whole numbers. So in roster form, a set can be described by listing all the elements of sets. We are listing the elements according to the condition. There are three ways of representing set. First one is descriptive form. Descriptive form is we are described in words. Set builder form we are framing by the rule. Roster form we are listing the elements. That's only written here. Already I explained these things clearly. Now we pass on to the exercise 1.1 problem. In exercise 1.1, 4, 5 and 6 Roman number. The questions related with set representation only. Look at the 4th Roman number. Represent the following sets in roster form. 5th Roman number. Represent the following sets in set builder form. 6th Roman number. Represent the following set in descriptive form. Now I am going to explain each one by one. First 4th Roman number, after that 5th, after that 6th Roman number I will explain. Exercise 1.1, 4th Roman number. First you have to understand the question. Represent the following sets in a roster form. Now we are going to represent the given sets in the roster form. Already in the beginning of this class itself I explained the roster form. We are listing the elements. Look at the first question. A equals to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. This is the question they are given. Look at the answer. A equals to the set of all even natural number less than 20. So even numbers less than 20 they are asking. We are going to list the elements here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. After that, don't forget to put the curl bracket. Look at the second question. B equals to y such that y equals to 1 by 2n. N belongs to natural number. N less than or equal to 5. This question little different from the previous one. Here they are given the condition y equals to 1 by 2n. This n belongs to natural numbers. The natural numbers begins with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are given this condition n less than or equal to 5. Look at here, this symbol less than. This is represent less than or equal to. What is the meaning for this means? We should take the numbers 1 to 5. Sometimes they will give less than alone. That time we should not take the number 5. So first we list the elements of n. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This n values we are going to substitute in the formula. They are given in the rule. The formula they are given. So first we have to take the 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 2 into 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So what are the elements in set B? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. Look at the third question. C equals to x such that x is a perfect cube. Look at the condition. It is the element should be a perfect cube. And also they are given the condition 27 less than x less than 216. The element of x, elements of set C is perfect cube. The number should be lies between 27 and 216. The previous sum itself I explained. Less than means we should not take these two numbers. The previous sum they are given less than or equal to. Here they are given 27 less than x less than 216. So before we are going to do the sum, First we recall the cube numbers. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. They are given the condition the number should be lie between 27 to 216. So look at here, what are the numbers between this 27 to 216? Two numbers, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. Finally, we can write set C equals to 64 and 125. Look at the last question. D equals to x such that x belongs to z minus y less than x less than or equal to 2. Before we are going to do the sum, z, what are the elements z have? First we have to list the element. Z equals to, the number is, they are given the numbers minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So from this set of numbers, what are the numbers we are going to take? We are going to leave the number minus 5 because they are not given less than or equal to. They are given only less than. Look at here, they are given here less than or equal to. That means you have to take the number 2. So finally we can write the set D minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Exercise 1.1, fourth Roman number. 4 questions we have. The 4 question solution now I explained. So one more time I repeat the rooster form. What is meant by rooster form? The rooster form, we are listing the elements. They will give the conditions like this. From the condition, we are going to list the elements of a respective set. Next we are going to do the fifth Roman number sum. Represent the following sets in set builder form. Before we are going to do this fifth Roman number, we have to recall what is set builder form. In set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. This is only the condition for set builder form. Now I am going to explain one by one. Look at the first question. B equals to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day international. Set B equals to, this is a set builder form. In the definition itself I explained x such that x is an Indian player who scored double century in one-day international. This x is an element of a set B. So each element of the set is the Indian player who scored double centuries. So we know very well few more players I will point out. Rohit Sharma, Virendra Sehwag, Sachin Tendulkar. These players are scored double centuries in a one-day internationals. So this method of representing a set is called a set builder form. Look at the second question. Set C equals to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and so on. For this we are going to frame one formula. X equals to n by n plus 1. So n is a number that belongs to natural number. Always the natural number begins with 1. 1, 2, 3 and so on it will go. So look at the formula. First, suppose you are taking the number 1. 1 by 1 plus 1. So what number we are taking, that number we are representing as n. Otherwise any variable you can keep. X or no, don't want x because we are represent the element as x, b, c, like that any variable you can take. Here I have taken x equals to n by n plus 1. I repeat it again. N by n plus 1, this n represent what are the numbers we are taking from the natural numbers. First I have taken the number 1. So 1 by 1 plus 1. That's why the formula is x equals to n by n plus 1. We'll apply here n by n plus 1. 1 by 1 plus 1 is 1 by 2. 2 by 2 plus 1 is 2 by 3. 3 by 3 plus 1 is 3 by 4. So we are writing set C equals to x such that x equals to n by n plus 1. N belongs to natural number. That's why I written capital N. Look at the third question. D equals to the set of all Tamil months in a year. Set D equals to x such that x is an all Tamil months in a year. Fourth one. Set E equals to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. Look at the solution. E equals to x such that x is an odd whole number less than 9. First, in the fifth Roman number, first sum, third sum, fourth sum is very easy because we are writing the words only. X such that x is an Indian player who scored double century. X is an all Tamil months in a year. X is an odd whole number less than 9. The second sum alone little different because here we are framing the formula. Each sum it will differ. We have to create the formula by our clear understanding. I hope you understand this fourth and fifth Roman number. Now we pass on to the sixth Roman number. Before we are going to do the sixth Roman number, we have to recall the definition of descriptive form. This descriptive form definition we are going to recall. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. Sixth Roman number question represent the following set in descriptive form. So this four sum we are going to do in the descriptive form. The descriptive form is we are describing the sets in words. Look at the first question in sixth Roman number. P equals to the elements of set P is January, June and July. We are going to represent in descriptive form. Set P equals to the set of all English months starting with the letter J. The months starting with the letter J only the elements of set P. That's why we are written in the descriptive form. Look at the next question. Second one. Q equals to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Set Q equals to the set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. The elements given here, all the numbers are prime numbers between 5 and 31. I repeat it. Q equals to the set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. Look at the third one. Set R equals to x such that x belongs to capital N. Capital N is a natural number. X less than 5. Set R equals to the set of natural numbers. The set of natural numbers less than 5. Look at the last one. S equals to x such that x is a consonant in English alphabet. S equals to the set of English consonants. Students, this sixth Roman number is very simple and easy. According to the sets, we are going to written in the words. That means in descriptive form. Students, today we learned a representation of sets. 3 ways we learned. The first method is descriptive form. Second method is set builder form or rule form. Next, third method is roster or tabular form. Based on this, we solved 4, 5 and 6 Roman number questions that is given in your textbook. I hope you all understand it very well. You have to copy this 4, 5, 6 Roman numbers in your classwork note. Students, every day you are attending app test after the online class. The online class is 20 to 30 minutes duration. After that, 15 minutes we are conducting the app test based on what are the topics we taught on that day. Today I have taken representation of sets. After that I have explained 4, 5 and 6 Roman number. This three ways of representation of set. Based on that you are going to get the question in app test. For example, they will give a set. After that they ask you to represent in the set builder form, a roster form or descriptive form, like that. So all the questions are objective type questions only. Without understand the concept you can't able to attend the app test. So every day have to see the videos on time. For example, usually it will 9:30 to 10 o'clock means 9:30 to 10 o'clock you have to attend the online class. The recorded videos first you have to see. After that you attend the app test given in the Our School app. I hope you are all cooperate with us. Do it properly. The beginning of the 9th standard itself you do well and understand the topics